Google just updated NotebookLM, and one of the new features changes how knowledge bases work for solo operators. The update is called AutoSync, and it connects directly to your Google Drive. Every time you update a document in your Drive, NotebookLM updates automatically. No re-uploads, no version control mess, no outdated information floating around your stack. That matters because most knowledge-based platforms charge you monthly just to host documents that go stale the second you close them. This tool is free, it stays current without manual work, and by the end of this video, I am going to show you the exact document structure that makes the whole system flow automatically without you touching it again. You are going to want to stick around for that part. I am Paul James. I teach people how to use free AI tools to build service businesses without paying for expensive software before they have made their first dollar. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. Here is the problem. Most knowledge management platforms charge you $10 a month minimum just to organize documentation. If you are building custom knowledge bases for clients or running your own internal systems, that bill hits before you have earned anything. The issue is not the platform itself. The issue is paying a subscription tax for something you could build on free infrastructure if you knew how to connect the pieces. Google's NotebookLM with AutoSync gives you that infrastructure. It is a self-updating knowledge system that pulls from Google Drive and stays current without manual uploads. I call this the self-updating stack. Your documents stay in Google Drive, NotebookLM reads them, and AutoSync keeps everything updated automatically. One edit to the source document updates the knowledge base without re-uploading files or managing different versions. Here is how it actually works. You start with a Google Doc or Google Sheet that contains the information you want to organize. Could be training materials for a client, could be SOPs for your own business, could be research you are compiling for a content system. You upload that document to NotebookLM once. Then you enable AutoSync. From that point forward, every time you edit the original Google Doc, NotebookLM updates itself automatically. You are not re-uploading files. You are not copying and pasting updated versions. The system just stays current because the two platforms are connected at the source level. Here's a real example. A roofing company needs a knowledge base for handling sales objections. You build the guide in Google Docs, connect it to NotebookLM with AutoSync, and generate summaries, training material, and answers from that single source. Weeks later, the company updates its pricing strategy. They edit the Google Doc once, and the knowledge base reflects the changes automatically. Think about what that means for someone offering custom knowledge base builds as a service. One client, one Google Doc, one upload to NotebookLM with AutoSync enabled. Every time the client updates their internal processes or product information, the knowledge base reflects it immediately without you needing to log back in and manually refresh anything. That build used to require a paid knowledge management platform charging the client monthly. Your version runs on free infrastructure and the client owns their own Google Drive files. That is a $600 setup fee with no recurring software cost eating into their budget or yours. Most people stop at the basic AutoSync setup. Here is what separates knowledge bases that actually get used from ones that just sit there. You have to structure your source documents in a way that makes them queryable. If you dump everything into one massive Google Doc and sync it to NotebookLM, the system works, but nobody knows how to pull specific information out of it without reading the entire thing. The way you fix that is tagging. Every section in your Google Doc gets a clear header and a summary line at the top. When someone asks NotebookLM a question, it scans those headers and summary lines first before pulling the full section. That structure is what makes the difference between a knowledge base that answers questions instantly and one that forces people to dig. Now let me walk you through two more ways to apply this. First scenario, social media content creation for local businesses. You research a topic once, save it to a Google Doc, enable AutoSync in NotebookLM, and then generate posts for Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter from that single source document. The client asks you to refresh the content 3 months later. You update the Google Doc with new data, and NotebookLM automatically pulls the updated information into every content format without you rebuilding anything from scratch. Most social scheduling platforms charge you $20 a month just to queue posts. Your version costs $0, and the content stays current because the source document is always live. Second scenario, lead reactivation campaigns. A local HVAC company has 800 old leads sitting in a spreadsheet. You pull the most common objections from their sales notes Organize them into a Google Doc and sync it to NotebookLM. Then you use NotebookLM to generate email sequences addressing each objection category. The HVAC owner realizes 2 weeks later that one objection is no longer relevant because they changed their financing terms. He updates the Google Doc himself. The email sequences in NotebookLM reflect the change immediately. You charge $400 for that campaign setup. Most CRM platforms with automation features start at $50 a month. That is $600 a year in recurring software costs the client is not paying. Your system runs for free and stays updated without you touching it again. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Here is what that looks like for someone running knowledge base builds as a real service. You have a dental practice client with 12 employees who need access to updated OSHA compliance procedures. You build the initial Google Doc with all the procedures, upload it to NotebookLM, enable AutoSync, and train the office manager on how to query the system for specific protocols. 6 months later, OSHA updates one of the sterilization guidelines. The office manager opens the Google Doc, updates the relevant section, and saves it. Every employee querying the NotebookLM knowledge base now sees the updated protocol without the office manager needing to re-upload files, rebuild training materials, or notify anyone that something changed. The system just reflects the current version automatically. That is a knowledge base that actually scales with a business instead of requiring constant manual upkeep. You charge a one-time setup fee of $700. Most knowledge management platforms doing this level of automation charge at least $10 per user per month. That is $120 a month for 12 users, or $1,440 a year in recurring software cost. Your version costs nothing to run after setup, and the client controls their own source files. That difference is what makes this model work for solo operators. Okay, I promised you something at the start. Here's the document structure that makes this flow automatically. Every Google Doc you sync to NotebookLM needs 3 layers. Layer 1 is the master index at the top. That is a table of contents with clear section names. Layer 2 is the content sections themselves, each with a bolded header and a 1-sentence summary line directly underneath. Layer 3 is the metadata footer at the bottom. Date last updated, version number if you are tracking changes, and the name of whoever made the most recent edit. When you structure your Google Docs this way before syncing them to NotebookLM, the system can parse information instantly instead of scanning through paragraphs looking for context. That 3-layer structure is what turns a synced document into a functional knowledge base. Without it, AutoSync works, but the usability drops to almost nothing. With it, you have a system that answers client questions in under 10 seconds and stays current without manual intervention. That is the part most people skip, and it is the difference between a knowledge base someone actually uses and one that gets abandoned in week 3. Imagine what your next 30 days look like once you have this running in your stack. You set up one knowledge base for a client this week, they update their internal processes twice over the next month. Both times, the knowledge base reflects the changes automatically without you logging back in. You are not paying a software fee because the entire stack is free. The client owns their own Google Drive files, and you delivered a system that scales with their business instead of requiring constant manual babysitting. That is leverage. I know what that pressure feels like. I was working out of my brother's garage, trying to build something with no budget and no clients. $120 monthly software bill before the first invoice arrived was not something I could absorb. That is exactly why tools like Google's NotebookLM with AutoSync matter. They give you the same capability the expensive platforms charge for, but on free infrastructure you can actually afford to run while you are building your first few client relationships. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money.